What are the 6 hottest NFT projects you should invest in right now? NFTs. The digital ownership of items on a blockchain has exploded in popularity as a niche within the cryptocurrency space. The ownership of an NFT is, at its core, a piece of data stored on the blockchain. But that ownership can change. There is a lot of excitement around the potential of NFT projects in the art world. Early success has been with digital pieces of artwork, though there are real-world assets that could be tokenized, such as paintings by old masters or parcels of property like this one. Fine art has grown exponentially in the past few years, and the market almost cashed out of $42 billion in 2021. Forbes predicted this would happen, claiming that projects such as NFTs were becoming more popular. This development is not as shocking as the sell-off of cryptocurrencies, a trend that has accompanied the recent global market correction. Despite the slowdown in growth, NFT projects are still investing in new projects, attracting capital and generating investor interest in a very low-risk fashion. This shows early investors could potentially see enormous upside potential in the years ahead if they target some of the top NFT collections today. Luckily for you, Nugget lover, we have gathered the 6 hottest NFT projects you should invest in right now. Remember that while the first step is completing any of these amazing videos, the second and possibly more important step is taking action, even if it's imperfect action. Most NFTs are ranked by total amount of sales, transactions, and owners. These are the NFT coins with the highest total sales. Check them out to see if they can be worth your time. Number 1. NBA Top Shot. Crypto Network. Flow. Sales $1 billion. Total transactions 20.6 million. Buyers 441,963. Despite the fact that most NFTs are regarded as a speculation, the NBA Top Shot NFT platform could become the 21st century equivalent of trading cars. With millions of fans worldwide, NBA's popularity has created an opportunity to create a community-driven gaming experience. NBA Top Shot offers officially licensed NFTs that showcase influential moments in the North American Professional Basketball League, such as winning a championship or making an important shot, minted in packs. The moments are equivalent to physical trading cards that can be sold for up to 3. You can find individual moments being sold out at the Top Shot marketplace. Dapper Labs created NBA Top Shot, an NFT merchandise line that is connected to the NBA. Dapper Labs makes a 5% fee on marketplace sales and then shares that revenue with the NBA. Many of the most famous moments in card collecting have hefty price tags. Legendary number 49, an incredible photograph from the February 2020 game between Detroit and Phoenix, which shows Derrick Rose making a layup during that game, currently has the highest asking price of $1 million. The NBA Top Shot platform has over 1 million users on it, and with its recent $1 billion in sales. It goes to show how investments in sports memorabilia remain popular and lucrative for investors, even with a 21st century digital twist. Number 2. Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Crypto Network. Ethereum. Sales $1.6 billion. Total transactions 40,715. Buyers 21,800. The Mutant Ape Yacht Club is a spin-off of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which we'll get to shortly. It is a collection of up to 20,000 NFTs that can only be created by minting through public sale or exposing a bored ape to mutant serum. In August 2021, Yuga Labs made an airdrop of mutant serums for all members of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, or BAYC, the second and final collection that would be in this club. Owners are a part of this club too, with special events for members. Mutation of existing Bored Apes into a new version, the original BAYC is identical, but the serum is burnt. And the minting of mutant apes from the original mutants can start for a cost of 3 Ethereum. This price, the lowest amount a buyer can spend to own an NFT, for mutant apes is about 17.4 ETH, or about $19,400. Despite a population double that of the BAYC, MPYC or Mutant Ape Yacht Club hasn't been able to commodify their day-to-day lives in the seven-figure area just yet. In February, Mutant Ape number 4849 sold for 350 ETH, which generated around $835,590. In the world of NFTs, Mutant Apes are more affordable than Bored Apes. They make for good investments if you're looking to diversify your collection of those. But in the NFT space, the price for these cards is extremely high given the current market. Number 3. Bored Ape Yacht Club. Crypto network, Ethereum. Sales, $2.3 billion. Total transactions, 31,384. Buyers, 11,601. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, or BAYC, is a 10,000 token digital collectible on the Ethereum blockchain that was launched in April of 2021. This collection is owned by Yuga Labs. NFTs are generated programmatically using a set of 170 traits that include clothing styles, headwear, and facial expressions. In these NFTs, they feature everything from clothes to facial expressions that look like they came straight out of an alien movie. Each image is stored on the Ethereum blockchain, and ownership of a Bored Ape allows membership to the Yacht Club, which hosts exclusive benefits for its members. These come in the form of a digital board that is called the bathroom. Cryptocurrency prices have increased post-launch, with the cheapest ape now going for roughly $101,000 on NFT marketplace OpenSea. Ape was previously valued at $1,100, and you get 91 ETH, given today's market price. This is a very large increase from their original project price, and even in the summer, when people were wondering how costly this project was going to be, they were willing to pay around 3.5 Ethereum when it was trading around $4,000. Given the fact that a maximum cap has been put into place, it's likely that prices will continue to rise as more people come to realize how valuable this token sale is. Majority of the sales have been done thus far and cost $2.3 billion at the moment, with likely higher sale numbers in the near future. And the price increase will likely continue to be fueled by the increasing popularity of celebrities. Bored Ape buyers thus far have included Serena Williams, Justin Bieber, and Jimmy Fallon. Celebrities are leading this shifting art space, so we expect prices to rise as market demand increases. That could change in time, however, if celebrities vanish out of the trend's radar. Number 4. Art Blocks. Crypto network, Ethereum. Sales, $1.3 billion. Total transactions, 162,783. Buyers, 30,285. Many early non-fungible token projects began with the currency already in circulation. They were then distributed, airdropped, or otherwise claimed by the first owner. Art Blocks is a generative blockchain platform where artists create computer scripts to produce compelling art content. This allows Art Blocks to use NFT drops, release of collection, and give buyers the opportunity to receive different levels of art, not knowing what they'll get beforehand. The collector becomes the creator, which means that he or she can create or store a digital asset on the Ethereum blockchain. Although this might seem unusual for most, and what about the blockchain space isn't? Art Blocks has been a successful business in its own right, with total sales to date topping $1 billion. The Art Blocks platform started with curated NFTs, which are works of art that have been sold for millions of dollars. One such piece was the Fidenza number 313, which sold for 1,000 ETH, worth $3.4 million at the time. There is also a feature called the Playground Project, which allows artists to experiment with their creative content without concerning themselves with resale value. And there's the Art Blocks Factor tier, for uncurated pieces with more whimsy and flair to them. With all the potential for creative expression, there's bound to be an NFT that fits your interests and budget. Number 5. Cryptopunks. Crypto network, Ethereum. Sales, $2.3 billion. Total transactions, 21,594. Buyers, 5,817. Created by Larva Labs in June 2017, Cryptopunks were 10,000 algorithmically generated 24 by 24 pixel art pieces of human profiles. The project was a key idea as the basis for ERC 721, which establishes the non-fungible standard on the Ethereum blockchain, while ERC-1115 creates semi-fungible tokens, or interchangeable tokens on NFT projects. The simple images themselves are inspired by the punk scene in London, as well as films and novels which come from the cyberpunk genre. The simple images that came out in 2021 led to a dramatic increase in NFTs across the world. The Cryptopunks collection was free when it started. Anyone with an Ethereum wallet could claim them, and the only cost for potential acquirers was the gas fees, the cost to process a transaction on the blockchain. These were quite low at the time. Times have changed, and by 2022, new records were set with the Cryptopunk project achieving an 8,000 ETH sale. This occurred to amount to $23,700,000 at the time of the transaction, beating out the prior record of $11 million set in June 2021. As a player in the NFT space, collectible attention for this project is likely to change as digital art becomes more complex today. Number 6. Axie Infinity. Crypto network, Ronin. Sales, $4.1 billion. Total transactions, 16.5 million. Buyers, 1.7 million. Axie Infinity is the largest project in terms of sales that is related to non-fungible tokens. This project uses a personalized form of digital property known as an Axie, which serves as a companion character for players of the game. The game itself is based on a play-to-earn model, where time spent playing generates cryptocurrency rewards. Most NFTs use the Ethereum network to secure ownership. However, Axie uses a sidechain known as the Ronin network to allow users to buy, sell, and trade their tokens. The price for minting Axie Infinity's NFTs started at around $400 but has since dropped substantially to around $20 in changing market conditions. The robust size of Axie Infinity's network Ronin and its use of a stablecoin, the USD coin, have made it a high priority target for hackers. Just this March, the network was compromised and hackers stole $625 million from cryptocurrency investors. Nonetheless, NFTs remain safe. Given the low cost of these digital assets and their ability to be generated through gaming, this project is likely to continue leading in sales for some time. However, while Axie Infinity is considered a digital collectible, those looking at digital assets as an investment may not realize substantial returns from the game. In spite of the downturn in cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens have not only seen an increase in volume, but also show much potential for growth. The number of new developments has increased, and the market is expected to reach $122.4 billion by 2028. It is highly difficult to identify which NFT projects are worth investing in, since so many startups are coming up with their own virtual universes every day, using NFTs as a means of adoption. Now that we have found the hottest NFT projects we should invest in, it would also be nice to know as well the next projects to keep an eye on. So without further ado, here are some of the most promising NFT projects in the near future. Jump Trade. Jump Trade has recently launched the world's first cricket-based NFTs, soon to launch their own Meta Cricket League. The CryptoValuta.it team shared 55,000 cricket player NFTs were sold after launch in just a few minutes. With the game coming soon, it is quickly gaining popularity among its users. World Cup NFT collections for 1983, 2003, and 2011 saw sales at a 400 times of the base price. Azuki NFT. Another popular NFT project in 2022 with 10,000 avatars is hogging the limelight as per a huge trading volume. The Azuki metaverse forms seamlessly, blending the physical and virtual worlds, has already drawn community attention. Character alliances and designs use streetwear themes for collaborations, more NFT drops, and live events. This project is one of the potential big-ticket NFT projects, as aggregated data showed that Azuki number 9605 drew a deal of 420.69 ETH, or $1.42 million on the OpenSea marketplace. Decentraland. Launched on the Ethereum blockchain, Decentraland is unique because you can play, explore, interact in this new game space that comes with its own currency. You can buy and sell land as well as build user-generated environments and applications. The project also embeds its native cryptocurrency token and continues to grow. Crypto Baristas. The NFT project centers around a coffee-loving and coffee-growing community. Launched in June 2022, the project has already impressed the NFT community with its philanthropic verticals. A portion of the profit shall support real-life coffee initiatives on the ground. Future efforts are likely to improve the livelihood condition of coffee growers and stamp out inequities. Space Doodle. Scott Martin's Space Doodle has reached the internet and created a craze. With his success, he brought an extension of that project and had dozens of spacecraft designed by them. Those who invested in it due to its growing demand and scarcity have secured themselves as future collectors. According to experts, the NFTs were already pulling in substantial investors because of their ever-rising value. Users of NFT can receive physical pieces of art to match their digital assets. In this case, you are not just the owner of a piece of artwork, but also have access to it. Some other examples of utilities could be live artist credits or exclusives in-person events. Is it difficult to find the most successful NFT projects? Did you now find out where to invest with so many available? 1. It's best to consider NFTs an investment rather than investment opportunity because of the limited numbers. Currently, there are 4 million assets on OpenSea and potentially millions more across other platforms like Rarible, Foundation, Super Rare, NBA Top Shot, and more. With that said, they may not rise in value due to the sheer volume of their circulation. Currently, OpenSea is the largest marketplace for non-fungible tokens and has over 4 million assets for sale. This number is growing exponentially by an overwhelming amount every day. The price of each NFT will decrease as more projects come out, and there are more NFTs to mark their value in the market. That's it for this video, Nugget Lover. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon!